Hey, welcome back to Wireless Solutions. Today we are diving into a topic that is crucial for many Android users. Google Account Lock Explained. How to bypass FRP or factory reset protection. If you have ever encountered FRP after a factory reset, you know it can be a real challenge. But don't worry, we are here to break it down for you and show you how to navigate through it. Let us get started. What is factory reset protection or FRP? Factory Reset Protection or FRP is a security feature designed to protect your device and personal information if it is lost or stolen. When FRP is enabled, it requires you to enter the Google account credentials that were previously synced on the device after a factory reset. This ensures that even if someone tries to reset the device, they won't be able to access it without the original Google account details. How FRP works. Here's a quick overview of how FRP works. Number 1. Enable FRP. FRP is automatically enabled when you add a Google account to your device. It is linked to your Google account and is designed to prevent unauthorized access. Number 2. Factory reset. If you perform a factory reset on your device, FRP kicks in. After the reset, you will be prompted to enter the Google account credentials that were previously synced. Number 3. Account verification. You need to verify that you are the device rightful owner by signing in with the Google account information used before the reset. How to bypass FRP. Bypassing FRP without the original Google account credentials can be challenging, and it is essential to be cautious. Here are some legitimate methods to regain access to your device. Method 1. Use the Google account credentials. The simplest way to bypass FRP is to use the Google account credentials that were previously synced on the device. Here's how. 1. Turn on your device. After the factory reset, you will see the FRP screen asking for Google account details. Number 2. Enter your Google account information. Input the email address and password associated with the Google account that was previously used on the device. Number 3. Verify and access. Once you successfully enter the credentials, the device will be unlocked and you can set it up as usual. If you have forgotten your Google account details, you can recover your account through Google's account recovery process. Method 2. Recover your Google account. If you don't remember your Google account information, you can attempt to recover it. Number 1. Visit the Google account recovery page. Go to accounts.google.com/sign-in/recovery on another device or computer. Number 2. Follow the recovery steps. Enter your email address or phone number associated with your Google account and follow the on-screen instructions to reset your password or recover your account. Number 3. Sign in on your device. Once you have regained access to your Google account, enter the credentials on your locked device. Method 3. Contact device manufacturer or service provider. If you are unable to bypass FRP using the above methods, your next option is to contact the device manufacturer or service provider. Here's how. Number 1. Gather proof of purchase. Have your proof of purchase or reset ready. Manufacturers and service providers will often require this to verify that you are the rightful owner. Number 2. Contact support. Reach out to the manufacturer's customer support or your service provider's help desk. Explain your situation and provide the necessary documentation. Number 3. Follow their instructions. They may guide you through additional steps to unlock your device or provide alternative solutions. Additional tips. Number 1. Keep your Google account information safe. To avoid issues with FRP in the future, make sure your Google account information is secure and up to date. Number 2. Backup your data regularly. Regular backups can help you avoid losing important data if you ever need to perform a factory reset. Number 3. Stay informed. Keep yourself updated on your device security features and settings to prevent future lockouts. And that's it for today's guide on FRP and how to bypass it. We hope these methods help you regain access to your device. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends. Subscribe to Wireless Solutions channel for more tech tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or need further assistance, drop them in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope to see you in the next video.